Hello, today I'm extremely excited to show you around our luxury high-end studio apartments right in the centre of Newbury, next to the Waitrose entrance. If you're looking for somewhere to let at a very affordable price, all your bills included, come down and see us now and we can show you around these stunning new apartments. Let me show you around the first apartment. So here we are in the first apartment, and you'll see straight away the quality of the specification of these units. Lovely, beautiful granite style tops, all built-in appliances, all very high-end stuff. You've got a fridge freezer in there, plenty of storage space, lovely under lighting, high quality glass splashbacks, beautiful appliances and microwave oven there, very high spec stuff. So we haven't scrimped on anything. So if you're a young professional looking for great accommodation, this is probably going to stack up very nicely for you. Let me show you one of the en-suites here. So beautiful little en-suites, very high spec again, lovely chrome fixtures and fittings, high-end large showers. You know, we're professionals, we like large quality showers. Very good hot water. We don't want your hot water intermittent. So if you're fed up with your own rental, you want the best there is in the town, come down and see us at Redbrick House. And here we are in another stunning apartment down at Redbrick House. Let me show you around. We've got a stunning kitchen over in the far end. We've got a lovely big ensuite, plenty of space for all your desks and sofa beds. TVs goes on the wall, some lovely decoration going in here shortly. So again, if you're looking for the best there is in the county, certainly in Newbury, if you're looking for somewhere stunning to let with all your bills included, come and check out Redbrick House. Stunning spec throughout, lovely galley kitchen in this one. And here we are in another one of the en-suites in Redbrick House. As you can see, absolute stunning quality, chrome fixtures and fittings throughout, lovely grey gloss units, big mirrored wall cupboard which is all lit up. So, if you're looking for the best possible accommodation in the Newbury Berkshire area for young professionals, all your bills included, nice and simple, come and rent the best corporate apartment in the whole of Newbury. Why wouldn't you? Well, if you thought some of the apartments downstairs were lovely, we're now up in the penthouse studios. Nowhere else in the centre of Newbury has got luxury penthouse studios. Not only that, they've got stunning balconies. They look out over the whole of Newbury, over the rooftops, the sun sets on one side, comes up on the other. What a beautiful place to have a barbecue and enjoy the outdoor space. Same quality luxury as all the other apartments, top-end luxury, fixtures and fittings. You've got door entry systems. You can let your friends and family in downstairs when they come and see you. And again, everything is to the highest possible specification. So if you're looking for the best of the best, come down and see us at Redbrick House, contact us in the listings, and I would love to show you around and pick out your own dream apartment to let. Let me show you some of that stunning outdoor space that I've just been talking about. Here we are outside on the balconies at Redbrick House. As you can see, absolutely loads of space. Each and every apartment has probably roughly 30 square meters of balcony, that kind of level, 20 to 30 square meters of balcony. So this one apartment that we've just come out and videoed, we're going to be all the way up to about here, this whole balcony space. And the corner one I've just shown you, that's got dual aspect balconies. And as we can see, if we can pan out here, we'll see lovely views across the hills of Newbury, looking out over the rooftops. Nowhere else in Newbury has this kind of quality and luxury ever delivered. So if you want one of the best studio apartments in Newbury at an affordable price with all your bills included, get down and see us now and we'll show you around.